In this video, we're going to take a look at the prep tool by Continual Engine. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. Prep is an AI-enabled PDF remediation platform that does over 90% of the tagging automatically and offers a more intuitive AI to navigate through and make final fixes. The prep tool can be used for document remediation, and it leverages AI to help assist a document remediator in making our documents accessible. It can apply an automatic tag structure, it can help us write some AI-generated alternate text, and it can give us some shortcuts for tagging complex document types. With this tool, you can tag up to 90% of any document automatically, leaving you just a few things that you're going to need to fix. Let's see how to use the tool now. To begin, I'm going to sign into my prep account, which I've already done, and then I'm going to upload a file. And in this example, I'm simply going to upload one of their simple files. We're going to select yes, and in the bottom left-hand corner, it's going to begin processing that file. Additionally, you can see all the other files that have been processed in my account. So if you need to go back and actually download the original file or download the remediated file, you can do that right here in your dashboard. All right, once our file is finished uploading, simply select the file. This is going to take us into the editor. Now, what's cool about this is there is a prep tour guide that can walk you through some of the tasks to make this file accessible. For example, we can watch a full video walkthrough. You can learn how to change headings, and it's going to bring up a bunch of different menu items that are going to help us apply these things. So change the first heading to heading 1 and remaining headings to heading 2 on the page. Let's go ahead and close that. And in this example, our heading 1 is already selected. We have an H1. This is also where the reading order is controlled. And then finally, we can change the language of the tag specifically. In this example, we are going to set it to English. All right, once we have the file in here and we believe that we have our tags set, for example, our H1, H2, P tag, etc., we can select the preview button. And this is going to show us exactly what the document looks like. It also sort of acts as a screen reader output in like a markdown format. And so this is telling me that my document is set up pretty good. We have our list items in here appropriately, and our headings are properly applied. Let's go ahead and close that preview box. Now this document looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and save the file. And let's see if this page is accessible. We can either check the page or the document. Let's do the whole document. We're going to select yes, and it's now running a built-in accessibility checker. All right, and at the very top, we have our recent exports. We can see simple onboarding walkthrough. And I want to download that file so I can open it in Adobe Acrobat just to take a peek. Let's look at the tags panel. We've got an H1, H2, a P tag, H2. We've got our list items. Our table comes through perfectly. And I didn't have to do anything to this document. Let's go ahead and do prepare for accessibility. And let's check for accessibility. And I've got no errors appearing here in Adobe Acrobat. That's a great start. So my simple document didn't have any images in it, but if it did, the prep tool would recommend some alternate text for us, and we could even use a built-in AI tool to generate alternate text for us. If you want to check out the prep tool by Continual Engine for yourself, check out the link in the description of this video. And as always, I can be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you over in the next video.